AI is making me lazy. ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Gemini. They are secretly rewiring your brain. But unlike social media, AI is productive. You're not scrolling memes. You're working, you're creating, or you're learning something. So your brain haven't noticed something, but it's hooked. Why are you addicted to AI apps? The answer is simple. Dopamine. Every time you type a prompt, you get instant answer, instant art, or instant solutions. But here is the real question. Isn't that it's secretly killing your creativity?
Yes, and here is why. Real creativity comes from boredom, frustration, failing the 100 times. AI skip all of that struggles. It gives you answer instantly. The danger. If you accept whatever AI gives you, you stop thinking deeply. And if AI can do it, anyone can do it. Which means you are replaceable. That is the big question. How do you still creative while using AI as well? Step 1. Create first, AI later. Write 5 ideas or 3 rough ideas before asking AI. Step 2. Treat AI like your intern, not your boss. Use your messy idea to define. And start from the scratch. AI won't feel creative. Lazy creators kill their own creativity by using AI too much. So ask yourself, are you training your brain or training to be replaced?